Okay, this is a short tutorial on how to use the Phet software for molecule shapes. You're going to want to go to Model. Now this will give you a model that looks sort of like this at the start. How you basically have this work, I like to remove all to start, so you just have a lone central pair. So let's say we're doing something like carbon monoxide, CMO. If you look at the diagram, it is the carbon, we'll call this center one the carbon, is triple bonded with the oxygen. We'll call this one the oxygen. Now what's cool about the software is you can actually rotate this in like 360 degrees. But what's even cooler about this is if you click down here with the molecular geometry, it will actually tell you what the molecular geometry is. Let's say, okay, we need to know the bond angles as well. If we add, say, another one, we have a 180 bond angle. Now, okay, what if you want to get rid of this lone pair, this one here? So you just simply click the X. That's it. Let's say, for instance, we've got sulfur dioxide. So we'll call this one in the center sulfur. Sulfur dioxide has two bonds, one double bond and one single, like so. It also has a lone pair on there. So to add a lone pair, all you simply do is you click this button here. Again, the molecular geometry will tell you what kind it is, and you will have this as well. Essentially, all you're doing here is you're building off of each other. And that settles it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.